Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. We're busting a couple personal boxes here. Chris got a box of Obsidian and Kyle got a box of Playbook. We're waiting on our next break to start in about 10 minutes. We're doing a Luminance football, you can see here. Let's see what you guys got. All right, Chris on this one. Hey, Juice has an empty box for you there, Chris. Isn't that nice? You gotta love Drew Lock, man. Good luck, guys. Get the base cards off the back here. Got a Juju. Juju to 100. We have a Malcolm Perry rookie. Malcolm Perry green. That is numbered to 50. Got a Nick Bosa base card. 49ers. Not numbered. We have a Troy Aikman Atomic Material. My guy from the big city of Henrietta, Oklahoma. Troy Aikman. Jersey. Numbered to 50. 35 of 50. And you've been given a points card. Panini points. 400. Going your way. 400 points, Chris. Redeem that at Panini's website. That does replace an autograph. Quentin Nelson Lightning Strike auto. That is a green parallel Lightning Strike. Quentin Nelson. What's up, Taylor? What's your cousin's name? Cousin doing your first break tonight. 38 of 50 on Quentin Nelson. There you go, George. And we've got a Joshua Kelly orange etched rookie patch auto for the Chargers. Orange etched Josh Kelly. That is numbered to 99. You should put those next to it. All right. We'll get that ready for shipping for you. We'll get these shipped out tomorrow with Tuesday stuff, guys. Kyle, you're next up. Playbook. Drew Lock on the box. Mail days are the best. I'm not going to lie to you. How long does it take you to get our stuff living in Canada, Bob? I'm very interested in this booklet that's coming up. I have no clue what this is. All right, double moves. That is Chris Godwin. Chris Godwin. Dual jersey for the Buccaneers. Christopher Godwin. We have a Jarvis Landry down and dirty. That's our second LSU receiver we've gotten tonight that says down and dirty.
I don't know what that means.
They're in the pokey. Jarvis isn't in the pokey. Takes about a month. God, post office is behind, man. All right, Harrison Bryant turning into quite the tight end. And oh my gosh, I hope this next booklet is autographed. Oh, mommy dearest. To 75, Harrison Bryant. Oh, this is stupid. Good box of Playbook. We just got this in on a truck today. One box we got in on a truck. Somebody sent us an extra box.
Wow. I can't wait to see this.
Man, you got to get a booklet mag for this. Who is this? My buddy Kyle. You can't make fun of me anymore, Kyle.
Whoa!
Face to face auto booklet. 2 of 5. Montana and Aikman.
Whoa. Holy cow.
That is awesome. Congrats.
Wow.
Woo!
Whoa, man.
Acetate booklet, and it is a beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that thing.
Oh, my goodness.
Look how it says face to face in the middle. That's so cool, man.
That's outstanding.
Good night, Irene. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll put that in a plastic box, get it ready for shipping. 5 minutes, we'll be right back with our luminance break. Stay tuned, guys. Don't leave us.